Top 5 Best Gun Safe Door Organizers. We researched, compared, and only choose the best gun safe door organizers on the market, with a full breakdown of their features, alongside the pros and cons of each. 1. American Security Model 13 Premium Door Organizer Retrofit Kit. If you are looking for gun-safe brands to avoid, then there are many brands that you can look for. You can also look for various see-through pouches for the gun safe. If you prefer zippered pockets in a gun safe, you can also look at that to store valuables. In this gun safe organizer, you will encounter 2 rows of holders. These holders are for the storage of choke tubes. You can also store small flashlights and ammo. 2. American Security Model 19. If you are looking for a gun cabinet with shelves, then this door organizer is best for you. Imagine a situation where you are at the point of frustration. The reason is that all of your ammo boxes, your precious accessories, are unorganized. Besides, the vital aspect is that your handguns, rifles, are sitting in a messy pile in the bottom of your precious gun safe. 3. StackOn Spa01418 Safe Organizer. Small StackOn is known as the best gun safe manufacturer. The reasons are plain, as this brand offers a fabric door organizer that is the soundest way to store your handguns, rifles, valuables. This fabric door organizer is mainly designed for the usability of the user. This stunning fabric door organizer also provides excellent comfort for all gun enthusiasts. 4. Explorer LB1 Police Style Hanging Closet Door Organizer. If you have the best gun safe under $500, then you preferably need a door organizer. Door organizers are now a need, and all of those who have guns in their homes definitely need a door organizer. There are many perks of having a door organizer. If you are looking for a great door organizer, then you do not need to go anywhere. It is a great and perfect locker door organizer. It is mainly equipped with multiple magnets. 5. Liberty Safe Gun Safe Accessory Door Panel Size. In case you are already having the best large gun safe, then this door panel will help you in keeping your valuables secure. All you need to do is simply attach this attractive holster system inside the door panel of the gun safe. It will give you the expansion of storage capacity. It will also maximize shelf space.